addiction treatment, when are we going to start to realise that constantly focusing attention on stopping somebody from using an addictive substance is really not the solution to the problem? It's like repeatedly giving somebody cough medicine to cure a cough that keeps coming back over and over and over again without ever asking the question, what is it that's causing the cough? For some reason, this is the way we continue to look at working with people who are living the addictive lifestyle. And let's be honest here, when it comes to this, we really need to get it together, people. We need to start accepting that this is a deep-rooted problem that's as a result of childhood experiences that basically left us with an inability to cope with life. And that means everyone being accountable for the impact they've had and the choices that they're making. I sometimes wonder if this is the reason why society likes to put addicts in a box, a place where we can let them figure things out themselves without the need for accountability for the real reasons they're using. Listen, if you're someone who doesn't really want to know why somebody in your life is addicted to drugs, if you think that it's just their issue and you want to wash your hands of anything to do with them, or even if you look at people who struggle with addiction with an air of judgment and superiority, you might want to ask yourself why that is and what you're getting out of it, if you can.